Hello, in today's video I will talk about voice output sounds robotic and how to fix it. To do that we need to go to text-to-speech or any project you already worked on and the sound of the voice is just robotic. And then we go here. You can also change the voice if you don't like it how it sounds, because it may be the problem with the speaker, not only the settings. But the best settings to use for better voice model is the first one. But if you don't want to use the first one, you can go to second one, and now you just need to adjust the speed for 95, for example, of course. Stability around 50%, so I will go to 50, and similarity around 70-80, so I will just go to 80, and this is how you can adjust it. Style exaggeration, of course, will be 0 up to 10% maximum, and this settings should help you with the voice output sound to not sound so robotic. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.